Hi everyone. In this screencast we'll take a look at how to record a video either using your computer, a cell phone, or a video recorder, reduce the size of it, and post it up to Moodle. The ability to record video nowadays is quite simple. Most cell phones or still cameras or even things like MP3 players have the ability to make a video recording on the fly. The only trouble is the file that's often created can be somewhat large or in a format that really is local only to that device. Before we can go ahead and upload a video file to Moodle, we have to convert that video file into something that either Moodle can handle or read, or something that doesn't take the student half an hour just to begin viewing because it's so large. One tool I've found that does this very well, and it's a free download, is a tool called Handbrake. You can find Handbrake at the website handbrake.fr, and basically what Handbrake is and does is it's a tool that'll take any video format and convert it into something that Moodle can handle and that isn't so big that it takes forever to download. So I have a copy of Handbrake here, and I've made a recording, as you guys already saw in the beginning of this. So I'm going to actually pull down that recording. So I'll just click on Source, and I'll just click on the video movie. Nice, interesting title that I gave it. And you can see that it's just listed here under source, so movie on 2012-03-20 at 14:05. What I can do now is to choose where I'd like to save that movie when I convert it. So I'm just going to go down here and I'm going to go to Browse. And I'm going to throw this on my desktop, but rather than calling it movie on 2012, which doesn't mean very much, I'm going to maybe call it instead opening message. There we go, and you can see that opening message is now in the destination file box. The next thing I want to do is change the format of this file. I'm going to change that to an MP4, and even though MP4 is already selected, I need to reselect it because that actually changes the name of the file that I'm recording or that I'm saving to. I'm going to choose that this is web optimized, which means it's designed for the web. I'm going to choose H.264 as my output format. I'm also going to make sure, as you can see it's already here, that constant frame rate is set. And at this point, I'm ready to go. As long as I've done those switches, so I've saved the file, I've chosen an MP4 file, video codec is H.264, and the frame rate is a constant frame rate. Everything should just work. So I'm going to go ahead and run that. So I'll push start. And you'll notice at the bottom that there's a progress bar that runs across. And when it's done, you get a nice little message that pops up that says, put down that cocktail, your Handbrake queue is done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Moodle, and I'm going to upload this video. So I'd like this video to appear in one of my topic headings, so let's put this maybe in topic heading 1, so I'll click the pen for that. And it brings up my usual editor that if you've been using Moodle you'll be familiar with. And I'm going to give the instruction, please watch this video. Then underneath that I might put something it doesn't really matter what it is, even just a letter, but I have to hyperlink that letter. So I'm going to put my cursor over top of it, and then I'm going to click on this chain link, the hyperlink button. When I do, the Insert Edit Link box appears, Rather than typing an address, because it's not uploaded to the internet, I'm going to click on this button here, which means that I'd like to upload it from somewhere. When I do, it brings up my file picker, and it gives me a number of places that I can choose a video from. Incidentally, you can choose YouTube videos as well, and they'll link in exactly the same way. But we don't have a YouTube video in this case, we have a video on our hard drive. So I'm just going to press Browse, and when I do, my file upload box appears, and there's my opening message. I'll just go ahead and click on that, and I'll press Open. You can see that that's now in that little box, and I'll press Upload this file. You can see that happened quite quickly, and that's because we've actually reduced the size of the file that we're sending. Finally, I'm going to press Insert. And when I do, you can see that the letter T that I typed earlier looks like a hyperlink. Now, if I go down and press Save Changes, it'll take me back to the main page, and you can see that my video has been embedded in the middle of the page. And if I just go ahead and click play. Hi everyone. In this screencast, we'll take a look at how to record a video either using a computer, a cell phone, or a video recorder. So again, if you have any questions about this process or any other process involved with the Moodle, feel free to give me a shout. As I mentioned, you can also use that same hyperlink trick with YouTube videos. Instead of clicking on upload a file, just click on YouTube and you can search for the video.